It's a brand new day that I'm excited about. For those moms and parents out there, ano ang bonding nyo ng mga anak nyo? For me as a mom, I see to it that each of them caters kung anong interest. This time I'm with son too, and we are fond watching movies together and eat out if also given the chance like today. He is also videographer while I have my OOTD shots, and here ayan dahil player siya, sumasidestep na din ako. What a fun night. Looking forward for my next anak naman to bond. Kayo, anong favorite bonding nyo ng mga anak nyo? At vice versa naman, kung kayo yung anak, anong favorite bonding nyo ng mga loved ones nyo? Have a great weekend, everyone.